Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to troubleshoot the Claude something went wrong error. So first, check your internet connection and make sure other websites or apps are working normally. And if you're using Claude in a browser, then refresh the page and try opening Claude in a new tab. You can also clear the browser's cached site data and sign-in details. If you're using the Claude mobile app, completely close it and then reopen it. Next, check your app store for an available Claude update. And if that doesn't work, try restarting your phone and see if the error still continues. Sometimes the problem can be caused by a temporary service issue, so check Anthropic's official status information for any reported outages. And if the error continues after trying these steps, then you need to contact Anthropic support and include the error message you're seeing. So that was it for the video. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.